Hello viewers, this is Jobaid from Jobaid Tech Zone. Today I am going to share with you a most popular software, Internet Download Manager. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install this pre-activated Internet Download Manager. Before download, you need a RAR software which I have already added in this video description box. So you can visit and download RAR software if you need it. Also check description for unlock RAR file password. If you like my tech tutorials, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's get started guys. So guys, in this section I am going to show you how you can download and install Internet Download Manager. At first you have to copy the download link which I have already given in my video description list. Please check it and copy it from there. So I am going to copy it, select all, copy, and click Chrome browser, address bar, and right click, paste and go. Remember one thing, before you download it, turn off or pause your antivirus. I am going to pause my antivirus. So you can see the download file. Right click on it, download it. Now you can see the IDM file is now downloading. Yes, download is now finished. You can see this file is a RAR file, so you have to extract it. So I'm going to right click on it, extract here. Now you have to need a password to extract it. This password I give in my video description. Please check it and use it from there. Look, this file is now extracted, and click extracted folder. Now you can see Internet Download Manager file. So click on it, click yes. Here you can two options: standard installation of the program, updating the installed program. So I'm going to select standard installation of the program. Click next, click continue installation, next. Mark on this option, run Internet Download Manager when the system start up. I am going to add one thing, Windows 10, and unmark it. Click next. So we are seeing that IDM is now installing. Wait until installation finished. It takes some time, so you have to wait until the installation process completed. Now we can see Internet Download Manager is now installed. so it's better to be restart your computer before use it. After successfully install, you have to do one more thing, restart your computer and also restart your browser. I'm restarting my browser. So now you can see my IDM integration module is now disabled, and click on it for enable, and now everything is looking to finished. You can check your IDM is installed successfully or not. I am showing you how it works. Now you can see the download button is now working for IDM. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching my videos.